In today's video, you will earn over $16 per minute. You can earn easily $16 every single minute with this my brand new method. In this video, I am going to show best way to make money online with Chat GPT. But some important tips, please watch entire video because I will show you all the process step by step. Or make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for daily money making videos, or if you are looking for easiest way to make money online, so please check out my first link in description. That software help you to make $1,000 every single day guaranteed. And let's move into the video. Get a new account on OpenAI.com by clicking at Try Chat GPT. And then you're going to have the opportunity to create a completely new free account here, clicking login or sign up. Or log in if you already have an account, and then see you in step number 2. Step number 2. Now I'm logged in here in my Chat GPT account. And now here is my artificial intelligence. And now I can ask everything I want and the bot knows everything. I'm sure you have seen all these funny YouTube videos by people asking some funny things. For example, how are you and what are you going to do today? But we are not here to have fun. We are here to make money. And so I'm going to show you what to do in the next step. Step number 3. Now we are here at this brand new website called Clarity FM. Not Clarity, Clarity FM. And what can we do here? The best thing we can do here is making money. This is a website where you can give advices and you are going to get paid for giving answers. For example, there's somebody who asks you a special question. For example, about YouTube or about social media in general. And then you get the perfect answer. And then you're going to get paid. And you get paid in a very new way because you're going to get paid per minute, not per hour, per minute. And I'm going to show you how this looks here at Clarity FM. We have different options to make money here, the different categories, for example, sales and marketing, product and design, technology, skills and management, and other options. And what we can see here, we are going to get paid very well here. We see it's $16 per minute, not per hour, per minute. And now I'm going to show you how much this is in an hour. So let's have a closer look how much we are going to get in an hour here. $16 per minute. This is going to be almost $1,000 per hour with this brand new website. But in which category you're going to get paid the most, and this is this category called copywriting. I'm going to show you how you can earn money in this new amazing category by using Chat GPT. So this is kind of a new way to get impressive income. How I'm going to show you in a few moments. And we can see here all these guys getting paid very well. For example, $8 per minute. 5. What I'm going to do next, I'm clicking here sort by most calls. So this is going to work this way. You can create a completely free account on this platform, and then they are going to be people who have questions. For example, how I can use my social media in a better way, for example, Instagram. Or how can I create my website and which text I'm going to have on my new website. For example, for my new online shop. And then we can go here sort by most calls. And then what we see here, okay, this guy only earns $2 per minute. But $2 per minute are not almost $120 per hour, which isn't bad at all. And what we see here, second and third place, over $16 per minute. And now I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT on Clarity. Step number 4. Then go to Clarity FM and scroll all the way down to this point, become an expert. And then you can create a completely free account with your email, first name and password, and click on continue. And then you have to create an account and show and write in your account that your main skill is copywriting. And then I'm going to show you what to do next. And then in next step, you have to create an account like this. Write down copywriting, and for example, you can use $16 per minute too. And then you're going to get calls from customers who want special information. For example, about copywriting. What can this mean? For example, I am a customer and I have a new online shop about basketball. So what we do then after we get the question from the customer, we are going back to Chat GPT, and this is the next step. And then we can go to Chat GPT and write something like this. Write new advertising text for basketball shop website, and then click right here. And then the artificial intelligence will create the new text for us. And all we have to do now is copying the text or reading the text, and then give all the information to the customer on Clarity. And then you are going to make over $16 per hour. Not per hour, sorry, per minute. In a few moments, I'm going to show you another way to make money online with Chat GPT. But for now, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel right now. And now I'm going to show you another way to make money online with Chat GPT. For the second option, we have to go to Fiverr.com. And here we can click right here and write down copywriting as well. And here we can see that we can make a lot of money on Fiverr using copywriting and using the Chat GPT method. For example, here are some people who are earning over $50 per sale here right on the basic platform. For example, here we have 2 options or 3 options: the basic option, the standard option, or the premium option. And here the basic option starts at $40 and the premium option goes up to over $240. What do we see here for this diamond package? The premium option of this Fiverr seller. The Fiverr seller earns over $250 per 12 words. So what can we do here? We can create a gig. And this whole offer is called Gig on Fiverr. We can create a gig like this with, for example, over 12 words, for example, 15 words, and maybe for $100 or $150. And then we have another option to get a better offer than, for example, this seller. We don't need 14 days for this delivery. We only need 1 day with Chat GPT. And what can we do in this case? We have to create the gig first. And then if there's somebody who books us, who sends us a message and says, yes, I'm interested in your Fiverr gig and your offer, then you're going to get all the information you need from the customer. And then you go back to Chat GPT and then write down your question, and Chat GPT will automatically generate you the new text for the customer. For example, the customer is an owner of a barbershop and needs a new text for his website. Then you write down right here, for example, give me a text for the website of barbershop. And then we see here the artificial intelligent GPT will automatically create the new text for the barbershop website. And then our work is done. We can copy and paste this text. But there's another little tip from my side. Don't only use copy and paste. Use this as an inspiration and then send the text back, for example, to Microsoft Word and change a few words, or change it a little bit. Not only copy and paste it, and then give the text the information back to the customer on Fiverr. And then you can earn, for example, $200 per hour. Maybe if you use longer taxes or longer versions, maybe $300 per minute. And this is another way. Great way to make money online with Chat GPT. If you're looking for another way to make money online with a bot, click down the link below in the description. And here you can get the secret new millionaire bot.